Hello, my name's Johnathan Napier. I'm a project leader at Rothamsted Research and I'm also editor-in-chief of the Plant Biotechnology Journal. So my main project is trying to engineer plants to make omega-3 fish oils. This is something that we've been working on for quite a long time, for 20 plus years. But I think it's really a really worthwhile thing to do because fish oils are really important for human nutrition and they're a limited natural resource. So we're interested in trying to make a plant source of omega-3 fish oils to provide a sustainable new source of these important nutrients. From my perspective, plant biotechnology is something that really excites me. I think it has the potential to transform our lives in so many ways, and it comes at a really critical time in society when we really need to try and solve these global challenges that we all face. And I think plant biotechnology can be part of the solution. It can help us overcome the problems with food security and dealing with climate change. So I'm really excited and really proud to be part of that whole revolution.